Children, historical monuments, they form our rich heritage and which we have to pass it on to the next generation so that they can also know about our glorious past. So it is very, very important to protect it and preserve it. Now the next is museums. Okay. Now, children, museums, they are the storehouses of artifacts. Now, what is the meaning of artifacts? They are the things made by the human hand. Okay. So, in the monument, we are having things which were made by the human beings in the olden days. Now, children, these things, the artifact, they show our ancient past so that we can study about, so that the people or we are able to study about our history or our ancient time. When you visit a museum, remember to follow the instructions written here. Now, whenever you visit a museum, what are the things you should keep in mind? Do not touch or pick up things in the museum. Anything which is displayed in the museum, you are not supposed to touch it or pick anything from the museum. If the museum prohibits photography, do not try to click pictures. Prohibit means stopping, preventing. If in any museum it is written that you are not allowed to take the photos, you should not take the pictures over there. While the government takes various steps to protect and maintain the public property through its public work department and other bodies like the Archaeological Survey of India, we should remember that the government alone cannot protect them. Now, children, public property, it is established and it is maintained by the government. But children, government alone cannot protect the public property because we all are using it. So until unless we also don't support them in protecting them, this public property, it cannot be protected. So it is in the hands of the government and we are also equally responsible for protecting the public property. It is the duty, so it becomes the duty of every responsible citizen to protect this public property. Okay, and we should protect the public property in the same way as we protect our private property. Okay, so children, a good citizen should not feel only proud of his country, but he should show the same patriotism and the pride while dealing with the foreign tourist in his country. Okay, so we should speak about our country in a very respected way. That is very, very important, and we should leave a good impression of our country in the mind of the tourists by giving them a safe and pleasant trip. Now, see, children, as I already told you, that every year thousands of tourists they visit our historical monument. So, by protecting it and keeping it neat and clean, it also adds to the respect of our country. Okay, the foreigners, those who visit, they also have a good impression about the citizens and the country when they see all these things, that the monuments they are neat and clean, no one is damaging the monuments and all. So these things are very important because it leaves a good impression on the mind of the tourists. Okay, people from other countries visiting India should feel safe and enjoy their trip in our land. So, children, it also becomes the responsibility of a good citizen that the foreigners they should feel safe in our country, and when they visit our country they should have a sense of safety also, and they should be able to enjoy their trip. That is also very, very important, so that they would like to visit our country again and again. Okay, to make them feel so, it is the duty of every responsible citizen of India. So in order to make them feel safe And in order to make them happy, it is the duty of every citizen to behave in a positive way with them. In doing so, we will truly prove that India is a land which believes in Atithi Devo Bhav. It means that guest is God. If we behave them in a good way, give them a good impression, safety, care, everything, enjoyment, happiness, then they will also, then it proves that India believes in Atithi Devo Bhav, which means that God is guest is God. Sorry, guest is God. Again, I will repeat it. Atithi Devo Bhav. Atithi means guest. Dev means God. So Atithi Devo Bhav means guest is God. Thank you and have a nice day.